Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, we're going to be rampaging about your SP not being able to live without you. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. As I am setting this video live, I am officially launching my Costa Rica trip with Trova Trip right now. You can copy your tickets to spend 7 days with me in Costa Rica. We will literally, as a group, be experiencing a brand new country together. We will have a tour guide, we will have food included, we will have a bunch of fun experiences and activities. You might have seen me share the trip itinerary on Instagram stories or talk about it in the community tab on my YouTube. And what is the most exciting thing for me is that I'm going to create a manifestation challenge as we begin the trip on day one. So I will get you to set an intention of one thing you would like to manifest. We will all together pick one technique, keep it nice and simple, and we will be manifesting together throughout the entire trip. We will be holding ourselves accountable. I'll be holding a Q&A in the middle of the trip, and then we will conclude at the very end all of our success stories and what we have learned. And by the end of the trip, you and I are going to be family. You and I are going to learn even more about each other and about the law of assumption. I would act very quickly though, because there are only 20 spots available. 8 of those spots are actually early bird pricing, where you can get your trip at a significantly lower price. There are payment plans and all different options for you. So the information will be in my description box down below. I'm so excited to see you in Costa Rica in October 2024. Your SP cannot live without you. How could they live without you if you are the best person for them? It's like the higher powers, God, the universe, your subconscious mind made you to exist in the same time and space because they knew that you two fit a perfect puzzle piece. You guys complete each other in the best way. Not that you are a half and they are a half. You guys are two wholes adding to each other's lives in the best way possible. They know that. They know that they can't get that anywhere else but with you. It is a no-brainer for them to be in a relationship with you, for them to move mountains for you, because it's just such a great not only deal, but it just makes sense, and you fill a void in them that they were never able to fill with anything else, because you are such a pure soul for them. You speak to their soul. Your souls literally intertwine together to create literal magic. Now, even if they may not understand spirituality, and even if they do, they are mind blown by your connection. Nothing can explain the connection that both of you have. The feelings that you have for this person are the exact duplicate of how they feel for you, and more, 10 times more, because you may be feeling it on your end this way, they feel that, they understand that, and also they are mind blown by it because they had their own experiences in their past lives, in their previous chapter of their lives now, and they understand through contrast and experience that you are the whole entire package. You are the biggest deal. You are the biggest deal of their lives. Their friends know this, their sisters know this, their brothers know this, their entire family knows this, their extended family knows this. Holy shit, the entire community knows this. Your school, your university, your workplace, your mutuals, every single person that knows both of you absolutely understand wholeheartedly that y'all are meant to be together. The relationship you two have literally makes people believe in love again. You are literally like those influencer couples who, when you share your love on the internet, people start calling you mom and dad. You and your SP are literal inspiration for millions of people around the world because your love is so pure, strong, compassionate, unconditional. Every single love song that has ever been written in the history of man has been written by your SP to you. That is exactly how they feel and then some. No one has ever loved anyone before as much as this person loves you. He cherishes you like a little chick, fragile and wanting, needing love. And they are not only wanting, but they are yearning with every inch and fiber of their being. Their skin crawls to nurture you, to provide for you, to take care of you, to love you, to literally take interest in every single thing that you do. In the best way possible, of course. You're not getting annoyed by this person isn't getting annoyed of you. Quite the contrary. You guys fit so naturally together. Every single second of the day just plays out in such a flowy, natural, fun, easy way. You do not have to swim upstream to be with this person, and vice versa. It is just a very natural, flowy, fun relationship. The funnest, the flowiest. You expand and they expand through this relationship. You both absolutely grow in such a way where they were never able to grow before. You are just something else to this person. Your unique blend of personality, traits, your experiences, your opinions of the world, your looks, every single thing about you, your spirit, the way that you conduct yourself, the way that you move your body, the way that you speak, the way that you laugh, the way that you care for your family and friends and pets, every single thing, your soul reflects everything that you do, every energy that you put in absolutely everything. Your soul reflects that, and they are able to see that more than absolutely anyone else in this world. They see that and they feel so lucky that you are in a relationship with them. They feel like they won the lottery. They feel like they have to lock it down as soon as possible. They are desperate to lock it down. They are desperate to be in a relationship with you. They are desperate to move in with you. They are desperate to marry you and have children with you and provide for you and create this beautiful space and home with family and extended family and a community, because he sees in you what he couldn't see in anyone else. And he knows that this is something very, very insanely, groundbreakingly Guinness World Book of Records special. And he will not trade that for anyone or anything else in this world. You are his top priority because he can see that in you. He damn near, if he was toxic, he wouldn't want anyone else to see how special you are, because you are just that insanely, groundbreakingly special. Not only to him, but he knows that you are just special to this entire world. And of course, he needs to rush and run, move mountains, do absolutely every single thing that is needed, and then some, to be in a relationship with you, to be in the best relationship with you, to make you the happiest person alive, because he sees how special you are. You are the one and only special person, period, in the history of this world. And he will not dare tarnish that. He will not dare risk that for anything else. He will goddamn make sure his career, his friends, his family, every single aspect of his life, ambition, career, how he's viewed in society, his health, his self-development goals, absolutely every single corner of his life, he's gonna fucking damn sure it all fits in your life, because he wants to fit in your life and he wants to make sure that your life fits with his life, and he knows that it will, because he will, again, do absolutely anything in this world, he will bend over backwards. He will literally do infinite backflips until you tell him to stop. If that means you two are in a relationship together, living together, spending time together in a healthy way every single day, and he will do absolutely every single thing on this planet he knows to do, and it will work, it will be successful, to come to you, to present himself to you in a way where he is the highest version of himself. He wants to go to the gym for you. He wants to keep getting promotions and being successful and earning more and more and more and more and more and more money for you and for your future family. He looks after his health, he looks after his looks, he looks after his personality and self-development for you and for him and for this beautiful life that you are building together. He wants to take you out on beautiful dates. Literally, absolutely every single amazing fun thing that you have bookmarked on your TikTok and your Instagram to do in this city, in outer cities, around the country and around the entire world, he is planning to do with you. He wants to go above and beyond for you, and you guys will do all of those things and then some. He's going to Aladdin show you the world. He is going to show you things that you've never even thought existed. He will physically show you those things, and he will emotionally and spiritually show you those things. The depth of your love is unexplainable. Your souls are so intertwined, and you learn from each other through other people, meaning friends, family, and experiences, meaning double dates. Maybe you're going out to dinner with his family, whatever it may be. And he supports you in absolutely every single thing that you want to do. He wants to shatter from the rooftops. He gives you advice. He will carry all of your equipment for you if he has to. He will literally sacrifice everything if he has to. But he doesn't have to, because absolutely every single thing in both of your lives are perfect. You add value to each other. You help each other grow. You give each other advice, and you become the best versions of yourself every single day. Through you being together, through you experiencing this beautiful world together. He only wants the best for you. He wants to see you win, and he supports you in absolutely every single way imaginable. Again, he has been through the ringer, and he knows your inherent value. He knows your value. He knows every single thing about you is absolutely perfect. And again, he will not dare tarnish that for absolutely anything else. He doesn't even want people to see how amazing you are, but because y'all are in a healthy relationship, he is proud, and he feels proud when, you know, he brings you along with his friends, or his friends tag along with you guys. That, very much that actually. He is proud of you. He literally wants absolutely every single person on this planet to know that y'all are together, because he's so proud of you. He doesn't want to hide you. He wants to highlight you and make you a better person every single day. But something in him is like, man, like, I don't want another guy even understanding how brilliant she is, because even if they understood 1% of how absolutely amazing she is, something that I can't even explain, it's over for me. I feel like I'm in competition, but they are confident within themselves, they are secure, and they have a very good self-concept themselves. But he only wants you, and you only want them, and that is apparent, that is obvious, and everyone is so inspired. Their hearts are warm. They feel like love exists by watching you. Your relationship, watching you guys on social media, in real life, through just people talking, watching your relationship is more inspirational and heartwarming and all of those amazing things than any rom-com that you would have watched, and then some, or any romantic movie, poem, piece of artwork, anything that any famous person has done for their muse is just nothing. It's gray, it's boring in comparison to you two. You two are just something else, and you make people want to jump out of their skin in the best way possible, they are so excited because it means that love exists. It means that there is someone out there for them that can do all of those things for them. They're not just by themselves and thinking that, you know, there's only fuckboys or there's only fuckgirls on this planet. You give people hope. You lead by example by your perfect, healthy, happy, unconditionally loving, soulful, heartfelt, all of these things and more relationship. You wake up every single day with this person with a full heart, and you go to sleep cuddling with them with a full heart. You and your relationship get better every single day. Your days together get better considerably every single day. Every day just keeps topping each other, and that's the standard for you, even though you are still surprised by that every single day. Your children are beautiful, your entire family is beautiful. You both have an amazing relationship with all of your children have an amazing relationship with you, and you are just that perfect family dynamic where everyone loves you and you love everyone, and most importantly, you deeply love each other in the most unconditional way possible. So I want you to say, my SP cannot live without me. I want you to say their name instead of my SP. So let's do this together. My SP cannot live without me. It's already done. Say that. Yeah, girl. 2 more times. It's already done. It's already done. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.